Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Trading Journey with Bishwadeep. So today is my day 7 and I'm going to make 10 lakhs rupees from 20,000. Here I've taken the trade on Friday on 23rd of August and it was a Sensex expiry. So it was on the BSE side. It's the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE and we have BSEs and NSEs. So I have taken the trade on the Sensex part but I have made a loss. So let me show you the reason why I made a loss. This was my 22nd of August, the starting candlestick. So and it was the high candlestick that made. So let me mark this as resistance. Coming to the another candlestick which formed the lowest candlestick for that the lowest point on 22nd of August. So I should mark that. So I marked the highest and the lowest of 22nd of August. And the market got ended over here by making this little bit of small bullish candle. You can see, right? This is the small bullish candle. Sorry, the market ended in the by forming the bearish candle. So this is my day end high and day end close. So I've given you the previous day's highs and lows and also the last candlestick with the highs and its lows. Fine. So let me draw the temporary resistance and the support. Okay. I've drawn the resistance line. Fine. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do. So this was the opening. This was the opening candle for 23rd of August. See the volatility in this candlestick. The market opened over here in this 81,130 mark, because when a candlestick forms, when a bearish candlestick forms, what does it simplify? The body. So let me give you a example. See, this is the candlestick, right? I'm drawing this so that you can understand. This is the bearish candle. This is the wick and this is the wick. Fine. So let me, these are the wicks. Let me change, sorry, it can't be blue. Yeah, these are the wicks and this is the body. This is the body. Okay. So when a bearish candle forms, the opening should be here. The opening should be here. This is the open and this is the close. Okay, and at this point this will be the high. This is the high, this is the body, this is open, this is close, these are the wicks and this is low. So this is the overall analysis of this candlestick. What does a body mean, wick mean, open, close, low, high? So when the candlestick that formed on 9:15 a.m. on 23rd of August, this is the candle that formed. This is the long wick. The high was at this point. So let me show you the high. So it was the previous day's high that it touched at 81,237. So this is the point where it touched the high of the previous day's highs as well. And it came down to its lowest position as 80,971. This is the lowest, and the opening price was 81,132, and the closing price of this candle is 81,000. And after that, similarly a bullish candle formed with its low nearly as same as to the previous candle over here, and after the bullish uh, and it touched the middle portion of it also of that previous candlestick. So somehow it gives me a pattern or the candlestick formation that is called the bullish harami pattern, where the market will be in the downtrend and the previous candle will be bearish candle, and after that a small bullish candle will be there which will be 50% or half of the previous candle. So it nearly gives me all the eligibility, or it perform all the criterias to call me this bullish harami. And after that, what happened? After that, a similar bullish candle formed, but with the long wicks. When there are long wicks, that means you can see when there is a downside long wick, that means the buyers are coming in, and long wick in the upper side means the sellers are coming in. So there's a whole lot of confusion in this market right now. And also one more thing, this is the 9 EMA that comprises a one strategy. Whenever the bullish candlestick touches or takes the support of that EMA candle, then it gives the bullish momentum from that end. So I took the trade at that moment only. This is the 925 candle. I took that trade over here, seeing that it's a bullish harami pattern, and also it's a 920 strategy, and it touches the support of the EMA candle which will be in the bullish in pattern. But but somehow this candle gave me a false direction of my analysis, and it totally reversed the direction from the next candle. I forgot to check that this was supporting or respecting this temporary resistance line. So it touched this resistance line or going to touch that resistance line. After that it was going, so I need to have waited for one more candlestick to get formed. But yeah, it was a nothing sort of a bad trade that I took, and I made a loss of rupees 744. And after that, to do some revenge trading, I have accumulated two more positions in the buy side and the sell side. Since it was an expiry, I took the trades at 795 and 20.45 respectively on the premium end for both the long and the short position. So if at there is another strategy called 330 or 3 p.m strategy, 3 p.m strategy, where the market evolves like maybe in the buying side or in the selling side. There may be a like huge percentage change, like maybe there will be a 200 or 250 points or 300 points here in the upward movement or in the downward movement. So it sometimes happens like with the minimal risk you can gain maximum profit. That is called the hero to zero trades that people usually take at the 3 p.m. strategy. So nevertheless, it was nothing zero to hero trade. It was simply I have lost money. That's all. It's okay. Uh, as I tell you the reason why. See, the market on 23rd was totally in the range bound. See, I have marked yesterday's one of the resistance, right? See, this is supporting this line over here and also the support over here. So the whole day, the whole day, the market was in this range bound. Whenever the market is range bound, that means it is sideways market, not the uptrend, not the downtrend. At that moment, people shouldn't do any trading because they will lose the money, as the options premium will lose their ability to gain such premium at a in the range bound market, because there won't be any spike, so the premium price will not be increasing or even decreasing. So that is the reason you shouldn't do trading in the sideways market. And on day 7 I didn't take trade on the forex market or the crypto market. So the total loss that I faced is 1017, and the overall PNL is coming down to 16,901. So where I started from 19,617. So I have already lost 3,000 rupees, even though I'm learning something each and every other day. So that's all from day 7. Thank you everyone for joining me, and hopefully to see you in day 8 of my journey. Thank you everyone.